welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a Boxycharm. This is for May 2019. The shape of this box is actually pretty different this month. It is more long than, short and wide, and it is to fit one of the products that they have in this month's box. Now, as usual, there were many variations, and of course, I ended up getting a product that I really wasn't so excited about. I wanted something different, which I will get into further. There is a page on Instagram called Boxycharm Swap, and you could actually put a comment on the post for that month's box. And they usually have multiple postings on, the different products. You can put a comment on there saying what you're looking for in return for what products that you would send. I did put a few comments on their posts in reference to the May box, and I said that I was willing to swap 2 of these products for one specific product that I really wanted. And somebody did reach out to me saying that they had the product I was looking for, and in return, I'm going to send them the 2 products from this box. So I wanted to get this video up quickly because tomorrow I'm heading to the post office to ship this out. Because there are so many variations and they don't personalize the boxes as of yet, then it is a great tool to use. Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription, and you are supposed to get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. Occasionally, they will throw in a travel size there, just to let you know. But the value is always over $100. First thing when you open up this box, you'll always see a little card on the top with the theme of the month. And for May, it is Make Waves. On the other side, it does give you a list of all your products with a quick description and the price. Here is the first product. I am going to try really hard not to blind you guys, but this is the big star of the box in my opinion. And this is the variation product that I was talking about. So you could have received either this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser, or you could have received the First Aid Beauty Coconut Cream Moisturizer, and I absolutely love that moisturizer. I've had a few samples of it and it just works so well for my oily skin type. But this is the product that I am swapping out, and I am going to be receiving that First Aid moisturizer. But anyway, this is valued at $28. It says, gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. It's soap, fragrance, and SLS, SLES free. It is all skin types approved. The next product here, which is also a variation product, you could have received a bunch of different lip products. The one I received is from Steve Laurent, and it is a lip gloss in the shade Posh. It is valued at $22. It says it's 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. This Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just 1 swipe. So this product I'm actually sending with the cleanser. I can at least show you what it looks like. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is a very pretty nude neutral shade. The next thing here is from Ciate London, which I like this brand a lot. This is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. It's valued at $22. Your new Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. So I ended up getting mine in the shade Cupid. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I just don't know if this is something I will use, honestly. I mean, I don't even want to swatch it. It's very pretty, but I just don't use things like this. Okay, the next thing here is also another variation product. They had so many different products that they were sending. I don't even remember what you could have received instead of these little brushes here, but I ended up getting this Bodyography Brush Duo, which is valued at $17. It says the Bodyography Brush Duo is the perfect brush set for lining and creating detailed eyeshadow looks. Use the angled liner brush for precise lining across the lid and brows. Use the flat shader brush for precise and detailed application of shadows. And then the last but not least is this Allure Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. It's valued at $22. It says get your blush on with your new Allure Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, this buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. This is also another variation. The other variation they had was a milk makeup blur stick. They sent mine in medium tan, which luckily that will match my skin tone, but they had 3 different shades. I believe they had light, fair light, they had medium tan, and then they had deep dark. So you have a nice size mirror here. And then this is what it looks like. So you have this shade, Seclusion, you have Isla, and then Toasted. This middle one is more along the orangey side. This is like a peachy shade, and this is like a darkish berry type shade. So that is it for the May 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of my box here. I really was not impressed. I was impressed with the fact that they had Glam Glow in here and they were sending some First Aid Beauty as well as the milk makeup item. But I just feel like my variation was not the best. My little card here says I got variation number 7. I am definitely excited for the June Boxy Luxe because there's a pharmacy product in there. And spoiler alert, it is that Honeymoon Glow Serum. So super excited for that. Let me know what you received. If you do get Boxycharm, let me know what your variation was. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Feel free to share this with your friends. Help me grow my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. I am on there quite often. That is also linked down below in the description box with the link for Boxycharm if you are interested in signing up. So until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.